hepinize hoş geldiniz demek istiyorum. Çok heyecanlıyız. Şimdi izninizle Kempinski Bodrum Genel Müdürü Sayın Ferman Doğan'ı sahneye davet ediyorum. I would like to welcome all from the Turkish side, and the stage is yours, Mr. Ferman.
Respected government officials, local authorities, forum participants, and media members. Welcome to Bodrum, the land of eternal blues, and to Kempinski Hotel, Barbaros Bay, Bodrum, an oasis of serenity for many years. We are honored to welcome you to Bodrum Tourism Forum, Rethinking the Blue Economy. Ladies and gentlemen, as we are all aware, the world has come to a crossroads. By end of this century, the total population is expected to exceed 10 billion. However, land to support this is limited. Indeed, with climate change, some of the most valuable part of lands will be lost due to rising sea levels. To sustain life on Earth, we have to find new ways to grow food, generate energy, and conserve the environment which our futures depends on. The Bodrum Tourism Forum framework offers an integrated, systematic, dynamic, ecosystem-based approach, and it also covers economical and social dimensions. There is a tremendous need of implementing projects in field of sustainable tourism and coastal zone management. Therefore, I would like to thank each and individual for organizing such an event and all the hard work behind. We really appreciate our mayor's efforts, Mr. Osman Gürün and Mr. Ahmet Aras, for their leadership, for their vision, for their mission, and for their passion of positioning Bodrum across the globe. As Kempinski Hotel, Barbaros Bay, Bodrum, we will continue to support blue economy, and we will keep promoting the Turkish hospitality. Ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, Bodrum is a location for every occasion, and welcome again. Thank you. Thank you.
Sahneye çıkıyorum, kusura bakmayın. Now we have a very important guest.